Enjoy!
And Dax.
So guys, today we have a special recipe called
Estofado.
Estofado. Yes.
Yeah.
and yung recipe natin today is special kasi it's being shared by our special friend. Let's welcome
Compliment.
him! Manny!
Well,
Come
friend.
on!
Not Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Santa Cruz. Hello
Santa
everyone.
Cruz.
Hello everyone, and today we are making pork estofado, and I'm sharing my recipe from our home back in the Philippines, and let's do it.
Even, not even. Water is even. Half cup.
Half cup to taste. Okay. Indian.
Mas malambot ka ba?
Wala, pati buto kainin mo na.
Okay, perfect na yung lambot niya. Tikman natin ha. Pero ano to, malabnaw talaga. Mhm.
all done. So thank you for watching.
Busog na.
Busog
Busog na
na.
naman. Ang sarap. Grabe.
Sarap, yes.
First time ko yatang nakakain ng
Yeah.
gantong
Yeah.
style.
Same thing with me. You know,
Kapampangan style.
yes.
Yes.
And the best part is like yung crunch after
Yeah.
frying. It's the best.
Yun pala ang secret
Secret.
na
Taga saan?
dry niya.
Where are you from again?
Oh, Tarlac City.
Tarlac City.
Tarlac
So,
City.
special ng Tarlac City.
Yes.
Yes.
So can you say hi to your
Okay.
kababayan?
Oh, karang Kapampangan ken, dakala salamat ken
Yes.
support tayo.
Yeah, Mikin,
Yes.
Mikin.
Hi, Pasarla!
Hi, Kapampangan.
Yeah.
Ang sarap!
Yes,
Sarap. Thank you for the
and then
recipe.
he will be
Yes,
sharing
yes.
more
Hope
of
you liked it.
his recipe next time, guys. So
Yes.
Watch
yeah, watch out
out.
for that.
Yeah.
So for
Thank
you.
now, please don't forget to like, share,
And subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.
Yes.
Of course.
Bye!
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you next
Bye.
time.
Memorize ko pa pala yun.